friends. Welcome to another edition of Hot Tech Tips. Today I'm going to share some magic with you because if you, like me, have found yourself in a situation where you have inadvertently deleted something from your Canvas page and you cannot find it and you cannot get it back, do not despair. There is an easy trick, a one-word trick that can help you restore that information. So let me demo. Let's say I'm in this course here and I'm working along and all of a sudden, I think I've got multiples of this March 9th. I don't need them, and I delete, and instead of paying attention, because I'm not really totally focused on what I'm doing, or maybe I'm distracted, or who knows, maybe this is just what I think, and delete, and then all of a sudden, there is no March 9th studio here, and I panic, and I hit the refresh button. Oh my gosh, is it true? No, it is not there. So rather than, I can absolutely call Steph or Rick, and then one of us can be the heroes and restore this file for you and do the magic, or you can use this hot tech tip. So I would want to click on home to take me back to the main page, where up here in this URL you see Illinois Wesleyan Instructure.com courses and then your course number. Okay, so you want to get here. We don't want to be somewhere where we're seeing another word here. We just want to, we're going to add our little trick here after the course number. So we want to be back here, and I'm going to click my cursor right into that URL. I'm going to type a backslash, and then I'm just simply going to type the word undelete. As you can see, I have done this for many a friend and myself. I hit enter, and look at this. It is going to give me a whole list of deleted items and allow me the option to actually restore. So I do want to go ahead and restore my studio from March 9th. And look at this. This is really nice because it gives me a tip here that says keep in mind that the associated data might have also been lost. So if I just restored that but didn't restore my rubric here with this rubric association, then I would have actually not had that rubric anymore. So you just kind of want to look closely. Because you can always delete it again. Wouldn't it be nice if we had that command in our lives? Well, I hope this has been helpful for you, and I will see you next time for our hot tech tip.